Hi, hello everybody. Right now we are in Rancho Cucamonga, not far from the 215 freeway. Coming up to a Chevron station that some of you might recognize. I have a really old video from 2018 that I filmed of this place. They have gotten a new system. I can already see from the inside that I think they got a new Mark VII system. This was a first generation Ryko radius. I have a video from 2018. But we're going to come back here today and see how the new system works. And, geez, I feel nostalgia coming here, quite honestly. So they got options from 9 to 14, so obviously the prices went up a little bit. Oh, what do you know? It is a second gen Mark VII, either soft wash or a choice wash. They've gotten a new payment system too. We're going to see how the new system does. I got the new Mark VII dryer motors. Yeah, we're going to do the 14. Alright, we're ready to go. So this is clearly a Mark VII soft wash. There's no touch-free cycle available on this machine. I only have my phone with me, so we're going to do this on my phone and my phone only today, unfortunately. I don't have my Lumix camera. There are chemicals right there. I have no idea what brand they are. I can't see them. Wouldn't be surprised if they're supplied by Mark VII, if I'm being honest. So I saw it when I was trying to look earlier. So we're getting a wheel blast right now. It's hard to see because the machine's back there. Sorry about that. It does have a touch-free wash bar, so this is a choice wash. They just must not be using the touch-free option. We're doing the standard Mark VII take a million years to find the hood thing. Ah, good old Mark VII profiling. Oh, happened again. That's the second time automatic has caught my windshield wiper like that. Oh, this must be some sort of combination wash cycle, I guess. So yeah, they do use the touch-free option. They just don't give you an option to choose. Very cool. So this one doesn't actually contour the vehicle like I've seen some others do. I guess that must be an optional thing that the owner didn't choose to install. Well, that's cool. Well, we got a watery side, and then we got an actual foaming side. It would be cooler if it actually worked properly. It'd be nice if the sign up there told us what the wash was doing. I'm gonna guess this is Rain-X or something. I have no idea. Is that meant to be a rinse rain bar arch? I'm not really sure. Like, it applied like a Rain-X and then it did that. Never seen that on a Mark 7 system before. Oh, the spot-free rinse light is on. So yeah, this is the final pass. So yeah, these graphics really do remind me of the Mark 7 GT series and the Aquajet 98, and they use roughly the same kind of graphic style. I always love these. Kind of doing an okay job on the front. Not really. It's kind of missing certain areas. I mean, compared to the old, I think honestly the old Ryko Radius system, some of the wash cycles were a bit better, in all honesty, with the exception of the Rain-X. I remember watching that video. The Rain-X was a little kind of iffy on doing the wash pass. I'm doing the pass where it applied the Rain-X, and the Mark 7 system, I would say, is a little bit better, but more or less the same. For $14, I'm guessing the reason it's so high and didn't include all that much besides the triple foam is that I'm sure that the ceramic lava bath that was supposed to be, those chemicals do cost a lot of money. They're very expensive these days, so makes sense, kind of, you know, standard to see a top wash with ceramic or graphene or anything like that to be like $14. Other than that, it was really cool. I mean, I do miss the old micro radius systems. I mean, there used to be a lot of them laying around there, and much like this one, it's all been replaced by newer systems. Dryers were inconsistent on performance, but if the spot-free water system works, it won't be an issue. So with that said, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this revisit, and let me know if you thought the radius system was better, if you like the new system. And that is it.